I hope all of you are doing good. Let's start today's chapter, perimeter and area. Number 1, measure the sides of the following closed figures and name the figure. So you will use a ruler to measure the sides. Okay. Number 2, find the perimeter of the following figures. What you have to do is you have to add the length of all the figures, like 3 centimeter plus 3 centimeter plus 1.5 centimeter plus 1.5 centimeter. 3 plus 3, 6 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 1.5 plus 1.5 is 3.0, that is 3 centimeter, 9 centimeter. So 9 centimeter is the perimeter, right? Let's suppose that we have to go around a paddy field starting from one point. After completing a round, the total distance walked is the perimeter of boundary. The length of the boundary of a figure is called its perimeter. Perimeter of triangle ABC is the sum of the sides of triangle ABC. That is, perimeter of triangle ABC is equals to AB plus BC plus C. That is A plus B plus C. Okay. Perimeter of an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means whose all sides are equal, whose all 3 sides are equal. Okay. So perimeter is AB plus BC plus CA. So A plus A plus A is equals to 3A. So the formula is 3 into one side. But remember, this is the perimeter of an equilateral triangle only. Okay. This perimeter of an equilateral triangle is 3 times of one side. Perimeter of a square. Perimeter of a square ABCD is equals to AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. That is A plus A plus A plus A. 4 times A. So 4A, and the formula is 4 into one side. Thus the perimeter of a square is 4 times the length of one side. Perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle PQRS is PQ plus QR plus RS plus SP. That is A plus B plus A plus B. So AA 2A, B plus B 2B. So 2 and in bracket A plus B. So 2 into length plus breadth is the formula of perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter of a quadrilateral. See, this is the quadrilateral. Perimeter is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. That is A plus B plus C plus D. That is sum of the length of all sides. Perimeter of a closed figure bounded by 5 line segments. So in this case, what will we do? We will add the length of 5 line segments. Okay. Perimeter is AB plus BC plus CD plus DE plus EA. That is A plus B plus C plus D plus E. Sum of length of all sides. Okay. Example 1, find the perimeter of a triangle PQR if PQ is equals to 7 centimeter, QR is equals to 6 centimeter and RP is equals to 5 centimeter. What you have to do is you will add all the 3 sides, that is PQ plus QR plus RP. PQ is 7 plus 6 plus 5 centimeter. 7 plus 6, 13 plus 5, 18 centimeter is the perimeter. Okay. Example 2, find the perimeter of a square of side 9 centimeter. You remember the formula of perimeter of a square, it's 4 into one side. 4 and one side is 9 centimeter. So the perimeter is 36 centimeter. Question number 3 or example 3, find the perimeter of a quadrilateral of side 6 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 3 centimeter. You have to add all the 4 sides. Okay. Example 4, find the perimeter of a rectangle of length 8 centimeter and breadth 6 centimeter. Formula of perimeter of rectangle is what? 2 length plus breadth. So what is the length? 8 and what is the breadth? 6. So 2, 8 plus 6 is 14 centimeter. So 28 centimeter is the perimeter of rectangle, right? Example 5, a field is in the shape of a rectangle of length 30 meter and breadth 15 meter. If the field is to be fenced, what is the length of wire needed? If the cost of wire is 50 paise per meter, find the cost of fencing it. Okay. So there is a field which is a rectangular in shape. Its length is a 30 meter and breadth is 15 meter. And this field is to be fenced. Fencing is done on the boundaries. So we need to find the perimeter. Okay. So perimeter of rectangle, 2 length plus a breadth. Okay. So 2 length is 30 and breadth is 15. 2 into 45 meter and 45 into 2 is 90. So 90 meter wire is needed. and cost of wire is what? Cost of wire is given 50 paise per minute. So we'll multiply this length with 50 paise. So 50 will convert it into rupees, so we have to divide it by 100. 0, 0 goes, 0, 0 goes, 45 rupees is the cost of fencing that particular field. Okay. Let's do exercise 13.1. Find the perimeter of the following figure. What you have to do is just add the sides, all the sides, and you will get the perimeter. See, 7 plus 4, 11, plus 3, 14, plus 6, 20. So 20 centimeter is the perimeter, right students? Area. We often hear and use statements such as there is not enough floor space in this room for 50 chairs to keep on the top surface of the study table smaller than the top surface of a computer table. So the words floor space and surface in the above statement refers to the magnitude or size of plane regions which are parts of a plane. For example, the space occupied by A4 sheet of paper on the table is the area of A4 sheet. Now in figures given below, which one has a larger area? It is difficult to tell just by looking at these figures. The magnitude of a plane region is called its area. Okay. Okay, so what do we do now? We will place them on a square paper or graph paper where every square measures 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter. We count these squares to find the area. A region whose boundaries are square of side 1 centimeter in length is called 1 centimeter square and has the area of 1 square centimeter. Area is always expressed in square units of length. Unit segment. Length is equals to 1 centimeter. Length is the measure of segment. Okay. Unit is square. See, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. Shaded region is 1 square centimeter. So area is 1 square centimeter, or you can also write like this, 1 centimeter square. Area is the measure of region. The area of the rectangular region can be calculated as given below. See, this is a square and this is a rectangle. Area is equals to 12 square units, right? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The area of rectangle is the area of a figure. The number of times the unit square is contained in the above figure, okay? Now, what is the area of given rectangle and figure? How many units square will fit inside the figure? Answer is 12.5 square units. Okay, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, half plus half 1, 11, half plus half 1, 12, and half remaining. So 12 1 by 2 square units is the answer. Example 1. Find the area of the quadrilateral given below in which each square is a unit square. So this area of the quadrilateral means the area of quadrilateral region. The area is obtained by counting the number of unit squares contained within the quadrilateral. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In this case, there are 6 unit squares, so the area of quadrilateral is 6 square units. Example 2, find the area of parallelogram in figure given below in which each square is a unit square. Okay, see, there are 32 whole squares. Okay, 1 to 32. The sum of 4 triangles marked. Okay, marked. These are the triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 triangle marks is equals to 4 into half, because these are half square, okay, or triangle. So 2. And the sum of 4 triangles marked by 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 4 into half is equals to 2. Now the area of parallelogram is, there are 32 whole square. So 32 plus 2 plus 2. How much? 36 square unit is the area of parallelogram. Okay. Exercise 13.2. For each of the figures 1, 2, 5 given below, find the area of the region by counting the number of squares. Each small square is a unit square. Okay. So here is not enough space. You will count small square. Okay. The total number of squares, and each small square is a unit square, and then after counting all the squares you will get the area, right? Now area formula. The method to find area by using squared paper is time consuming and generally gives approximate results for simple closed figures. To make the work easier, we have to develop some area formula. Okay, area of a rectangle. Method. Draw a rectangular 6 cm long and 3 cm wide. 2. Draw the rectangle on a graph paper having 1 cm into 1 cm squares. The rectangle covers 18 squares completely. The area of rectangle is equals to 18 square centimeter, which can be written as 6 into 3 square centimeter. That is length into breadth. So the area of rectangle is length into breadth. Okay. So the quick way of calculating the area of rectangle is the area of a rectangle of length and breadth b is L into b square centimeter. So this is the formula. Area is equals to length into breadth. Okay. Okay. If you have to find length, then what will you do? You will divide area by breadth, and if you have to find breadth, then what will you do? You will divide area by length. Okay. When we find the area of rectangle using the formula, the length and breadth must be in same unit. Remember that. Okay. Now area of a square. As a square is defined as a rectangle with a pair of equal adjacent sides, it follows the area A of a square of side A units of length is given by. Area of a square is A into A, that is side into side. A square centimeter means a square in which length of each side is A centimeter. Its area is equals to A into A square centimeter. Okay. Let's do example 1. Find the area of the rectangle with sides 3 centimeter and a 4 centimeter. Okay. See, length is a 4 centimeter and breadth is a 3 centimeter. We know the formula of area of rectangle, which is length into breadth. So 4 into 3 centimeter. 4 into 3 is a 12 centimeter square. Okay. Remember, both unit should be same. Now, example 2. Find the area of a square whose each side is 14 centimeter. Okay, side is given 14 centimeter. We know the area of a square is what? Side into side. So 14 centimeter into 14 centimeter is 196 centimeter square. Okay. Okay. Example 3, a room is 4 meter long and 3 meter 50 centimeter wide. How many carpets of area 1 square meter each is needed to cover the floor of the room? So in this question also we need to find the area of the room, but here see, length is 4 meter but breadth is 3 meter 50 centimeter. Okay. So first you will convert this in meter. So it will become 3.50 meter. Now you will multiply length and breadth and you will get the answer, that is the area of room, okay, which is 14 meter square. Now area of one carpet is 1 meter square. So number of carpets required, area of a room which is 14 meter square upon area of carpet, one carpet which is 1 meter square. So the answer is 14. Number of carpets needed 14. Okay. Let's do exercise 13.3. Find the area of the rectangle whose sides are as follows. 6 centimeter and 7 centimeter. Length is 7 centimeter and breadth is 6 centimeter. So area of rectangle is length into breadth. So 7 into 6 centimeter into 6 centimeter. 42 centimeter square is the answer. That is 42 centimeter is the area of the rectangle. Okay students, now you will do practice of the remaining questions.